there is total four type of users: admin, support admin, company, and the operator. Admin is a user which is created by the development team or the database management team. It is a statically created user. Uh, so to start with it, let's log in with admin. Okay, so password. Fine. So this is the dashboard of admin. So the dashboard do not contain anything. This is the admin. Okay. So the first thing admin have to do is creating a support admin, because admin is the top user or the super user. So the managerial task may not be done by the admin mainly. So the managerial task will be done by the support admin. For this reason, admin need to create one or more than one support admin who will manage all these things. So the admin first need to create a support admin. Let's create one. Okay. So this is the active button. If this button is enabled, then only this user can log in. Otherwise, he cannot. So create it. Okay, support admin created, and this is the important thing. Login ID is code and password is the phone number. This is for the initial time, that this is the code of this support admin or this user, and this is the initial password. Admin will give this person this ID and this password, and after that he will log in and change his password based on his own preference. Okay, the active inactive button can be disabled from here also. This user can be edited, okay, and can be deleted also.